What happens if you stop trying to paint carefully and just let the paint move? In this quick demo, I'll show you how to create a Jackson Pollock-inspired splatter painting. To prepare the paint, I recommend putting tempera paint into cups, adding water, and then stirring it with a popsicle stick. I use tempera paint instead of acrylic paint because this is an especially messy project and tempera paint is way easier to clean up. You can test the paint on a scratch paper to make sure you've got the right consistency. I'm preparing all the colors beforehand, so they're all ready for my students to use. This is totally optional, but before you start splattering paint onto your paper, you might want to add a light background color first. I'm using a 1-inch flat brush to add big dabs of white paint throughout my paper. Then going back with splotches of gray and tan. Now dipping my brush in water and using gentle brush strokes to blend these colors together right on the paper. I decided to do this because many of Jackson Pollock's paintings have a soft, creamy color behind all of the splattered paint. This gentle background helps the splatter paint really stand out. Of course, this step is completely optional. You can skip this and start splattering right away if you'd like. I've placed my painting inside a box, but you can skip the box and just put some newspaper underneath your painting. Take one color back to your desk at a time. Use the popsicle stick inside your cup to splatter the paint onto your paper. Experiment with flicking and moving your popsicle stick in quick, jerking motions to create all kinds of dots, drips, and splashes. See if you can create some long, thin lines. See if you can make the lines move in lots of different directions across your paper. Depending on how you move your arm, you may even be able to make lines that curve and bend across your paper. When your painting is filled with layers of splattered paint, your artwork is complete. Next, check out this video to see how simple paint scraping with a squeegee can create bold, colorful artwork that you and your students will love.